prepare for a meal tonight.
I'm telling you, this is the best summer salad ever. Let me show you why what I just said is correct. It's all come together. The garlic, it is just amazing. It will complement any meal. Welcome to Easy Delicious Cooking. My name is Alex and I love to cook. So please, why don't you join me and let's make food fun again. We've got all the ingredients here, and the first thing we'll do is start with the tomatoes. And we'll cut the tomatoes in half. And here's the tomatoes. Next thing we'll do is fry the bread. Keep mixing it around until it gets a nice even colour of brown. There we go, the bread's got a nice colour to it. I'll add the garlic, 1 clove of garlic crushed. Mix that in, we do not want the garlic to burn. Turn the heat off. Mix that in, make sure with some of that cheese. Now we've got our croutons ready to go into the salad. The bread is toasted, the cheese is melted on there, the garlic's there, the tomatoes have released all their juices. I've got everything prepped up, so now I'm going to start mixing it all together. First thing I'll do is I'll add some spring onions in the tomatoes, the garlic, the thyme, lemon thyme is just an amazing herb, the red wine vinegar. I'm just going to try a tomato to see what it tastes like. It needs a little bit of salt. I like my pepper because it just brings out the flavour. Mix that in again. Olive oil, definitely olive oil. And that will just sit there and just absorb all those flavours now. So what we'll do now is add the carrot, capsicum, the red onion, and mix that all in. The flavour of this salad is I'm lost for words. The flavour is amazing. I'm going to add the bread and give that a really good mix. I want that bread now to just absorb all those gorgeous juices. You can adjust the juices. I can put more olive oil in, can put a little bit more salt in, even more vinegar in. Right? So it's not hard and fast. It's you know, what do you like? Now I think I will try a tomato and a bit of bread. Those semi-dried black olives have packed so much flavour. I can't begin to tell you how much. It's just amazing. If you like olives, this is where you want to go. So in they go. And what I normally will do with this is I will finish it putting it together and then cover it up and put it in the fridge and allow it to sit there for an hour. The basil leaves, there's a fair few here, more than a half a cup. So what, you know, just bruise them gently, just bruise them and mix them in. I think I've got too many basil, to be honest, too much basil. It can become overpowering, so I think I'm going to leave it at that. The Lebanese have got a similar salad called fattoush, and there's some variations to it, but the basic principle of the salad is identical. Anyway, I'm back. Guess what? No adjustments. This is amazing. And can you imagine what it's going to be like in an hour's time after I put it in the fridge? Panzanella salad. Wow. The Italians got this one right. They got a lot of their food right, of course. I told you that this is the best salad ever. And what I will do is I will eat your share so you too can know how nice this is. This salad represents everything that's good in an Italian Tuscan summer. This is what I would do. I would grab the salad, a picnic rug, some Chardonnay, chilled Chardonnay, find myself somewhere under a shade of a tree near a brook, enjoy that glass of wine and eat this salad. I do wish you would try it. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, the next video, bye for now. This is Alex. And action. There we go. And action.
Easy, delicious cooking for my family, for my friends. Always happy, always laughter. Let's get together for a meal tonight.